We're gonna learn how we can use the virtual camera for Ome TV. Firstly, let me be clear that this video is meant just for educational, informational and demonstration purposes. Even if you use a virtual camera for Ome TV, make sure that you show your face properly while you're chatting on Ome TV. Now firstly, you're gonna download and install the virtual camera that you wanna use. For example, in this video, I'll be demonstrating by installing the Ome Studio. I have already downloaded and installed this virtual camera. As you can see on my desktop here, I have the Ome Studio shortcut. Once you've installed the virtual camera that you want to use for Ome TV, we're gonna firstly exit the Ome TV from the browser. Let's close Ome TV here. You're gonna go to search box on the computer and type in here device manager. Open the device manager. Inside the device manager, expand the cameras option and you're gonna find your default camera, that is integrated camera here. Right click and disable it for a while. Yes. And leave your virtual camera as it is. Minimize the device manager. We're gonna launch the virtual camera that you wanna use now. It's obvious that you will not see your video here because I have disabled the default camera. So minimize here. Now we're gonna go to browser and we're gonna reach to camera settings inside the Chrome. Type in here Chrome settings content camera. This path is given in description. Just copy it and paste it here and enter. You'll be brought to the camera settings inside the Chrome. Click on this drop down arrow and select the virtual camera that you want to use here, Ome. Once you do that, we can now launch the Ome TV. Now Ome has been loaded here. What you're gonna do now is minimize here, come back to device manager and now enable the default camera, enable device. Once you do this, close here, go to Ome Studio and now you'll be able to see your video from here. Select the integrated camera. Once you get your video here, it will also be shown on Ome TV. Make sure that your real face is clearly visible on Ome TV while chatting. Follow these steps sequentially, otherwise it will not work. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.